Um, okay. I'm auditioning for Wolf or wait, for Wolf of Nature for the casting call for Tomcat 941. I'm just gonna audition for Falcon, Luna, mm, Shadow, and Violet just to see who I could possibly be in for. So I'll do Flight first. Oh, hold on, let me read this. Okay. Jay, where's Violet? She was meant to be here ages ago. Have you learned nothing? I always get what I want. Okay, next is Luna. I will do what I've always done. I will find a cure. One bite and you die, you hear me? One bite, that's all it takes for you and you're dead and there's no cure. Okay, next is Shadow. If this does not work, then I will resort to killing her myself. You should stay out of this, sticking your nose into things that doesn't concern you. You can get it can get you badly hurt or killed. And then the last one is Violet. You're a total idiot, aren't you? This is our territory. You keep out or I will rip you to shreds. Okay. That was really it. Um, yeah. Hope you like it, I guess. I hope my microphone quality is good enough. I mean, this is a new program and stuff. So, yeah. Okay. Bye.